Hi everyone. Our discussion topic is modular programming. What is the concept behind modular programming means? It is a process of creating one large program by combining various subprograms or submodels. And then we can see the diagram which explains the concept of modular programming. See here the main model is splitted into various submodels, namely A, B and C. And then the models are combined to form the main model. That is, the main program is divided into various subroutines, and then after the formation of subroutines, they are combined to form the main program. And this concept is easily understandable by one example. See, if suppose I am considering one company as a team leader and he is having one large work yet to complete. What he is supposed to do? He split the large work into several subtasks and he gave it to several programmers or subprogrammers. And after the completion of each submodels, they are combined to form a large program. By means of doing so, the work complexity is reduced greatly as well as we can save the time. The same thing is happening in modular programming concept. And now let us see the definition and the task to be performed in modular programming in detail. First one is definition. It is a formation of complex programs from numerous small sequences called modules, each of which performs a well-defined task. Such formulation of computer code is called as modular programming. Then we can see the steps to be followed while doing the modular programming. The first step is we have to predict the program constraint, that is what the program has to do. Then we have to break the overall program into several subtasks. Then we have to define the work of each task and how they communicate with other tasks. Then we have to put the task into assembler language models, and the connection between various models are established to form a main program. Then after the formation of program, the testing and debugging of that program is happening. If it is run successfully means, then the further process, that is documentation of the program, is carried out. Then next we can see the advantage of modular programming. The first one is models are easier to comprehend. Then the second advantage is the different models can be assigned to different programmers, so we can reduce complexity as well as we can save the time. And the third advantage is testing and debugging of models can be done in an orderly fashion. And the fourth one is documentation can be more easily understood, because after the completion only the documentation is taken place, so it is easily understandable. And the fifth advantage is modification may be localized. And the main advantage is if the frequently used task can be programmed into models that are stored in libraries and used by the several programmers in several programs. That's all about the concept of modular programming. Thank you.